how to buy the cookie DAO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, after that, go and check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there, and keep following the updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and open it on CoinMarketCap and go to contract. Now, as you can see, you have different token addresses here. Now we will use the token address under the base network, as you can see, and copy it from here. Now go and open your wallet. For example, I will use Bitget wallet. Go to your wallet, as you can see. Now here, switch the network to base, and now click on this plus icon and paste the token address, as you can see here. Now this is our token, and click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet and now search for this token. Now as you can see, this is, now click on it and click on swap. Now after that, switch it and now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Now make sure you have enough USDC on your Bitget wallet. Now from here, just type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. So as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now just click on buy and you will be able to buy this cookie DAO token. So this is how to buy the cookie DAO token. If you find or DAO cookie DAO token, if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.